Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to some more options we can manage, and from here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on the settings we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first place we have the watermark, so by tapping on this option we can manage it, and we can pick to add the timestamp on photos. By using this button, as you can see, this is how it works. We can pick also the device watermark with the same thing, and this is how it works. Here we can add both of this or just one of this. And with the device watermark is also connected the custom watermark, so here we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset, and save. But remember that the custom watermark is connected with the device, so we can't add the custom without the device. And now let me keep turned on all of these options, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. As you can see here at the bottom we have the watermarks. From the left the Redmi Note 8T, so the device watermark with hard reset, so the custom watermark, and from the right we have the timestamp. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need this we go back to the settings in the right corner. From here let's go to the left again. We can tap on the watermark and to this button, so this is turned off. Now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.